First, open Instagram and tap on the blue test that says sync up. Here, what you have to do is to create a username, and then you have to create a secure password for your account. In my case, I already have an Instagram account in my phone. So what Instagram do is to synchronize both accounts with the same email. Nevertheless, you can also add a new phone or a new email in case you don't want to synchronize both accounts. But I'm going to keep the first option, so I'm going to press the blue button. Then the account is created, and you can follow a couple of suggestions Instagram will do about your Facebook and about your profile photo, but I'm going to skip all the steps to continue with the tutorial. So now what you have to do is to tap on your profile photo and tap on the hamburger icon. Then you have to slide down to the preference option, and you will see that blue text to switch to a professional account. Tap on continue to make the switch to a business account, and now what you have to do is to choose the type of business you will have. So I'm going to put clothing store and a business account, not a creator one. Here you can put your phone and your email, and the information is going to appear in your profile description. Or if you don't want to, just press on don't use my contact info. And that's it. Then you have your business account ready, and to confirm that, you just have to go to your profile and look for the professional dashboard. This is a really good tool to see all the metrics and the account statistics.